Welcome to Sharekhan. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to cancel an SIP, Systematic Investment Plan order on the Sharekhan mobile app. Step 1. Open the Sharekhan app and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, head to the Mutual Funds section located in the menu. From the Mutual Funds section, click on Reports. Now, click on SIP Summary. Here, you'll see a complete summary of all your ongoing or cancelled SIPs. Find the SIP you wish to cancel and click on it. Select the reason for cancelling the SIP and then click on Cancel Order. That's it. Your SIP has now been successfully cancelled. We hope this guide has made the process easier for you. Thank you for using the Sharekhan mobile app.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.